Hello, welcome to this first podcast about cybersecurity careers. And here I'll be sharing short advice and first in terms of how to get to cybersecurity and how to improve your skills and enhance your cybersecurity career in a way. So this will be a short means video clip and it will be uploaded on a weekly basis, once a week, and at least on Thursday. I hope that it will help anyone who has been thinking of doing cybersecurity, or for those who are beginners and they want some professional advice from the seasoned veterans. So expect some good content, maybe useful for some of you. And yeah, welcome. So I'll quickly do an introduction of myself. My name is Abdunyoka. I've been in cybersecurity for about since 2007, so that's about 13 years now. And I've been in technology space for about roughly 20 years. So my background before I went into security, I was a web developer, uh, mm, and that is my days back in Africa, which I'm originally from. I'm from Tanzania, so I was born and bred in Dar es Salaam, and I spent all my childhood and my mid-adult life there until 2009. Then I came to the UK, firstly for my postgraduate uh, degree education at University of Salford in Manchester, which was a good eye opener in terms of how the Western world works and reality from cybersecurity maturity point of view, comparing to what happens in East Africa and Africa in general. And in terms of my working experience from cybersecurity point of view, when I started, like most of us, you need to come from either technical background or risk and compliance somehow. In those days where predominantly this was information security space, and then the buzzwords came for cybersecurity. So when I joined Barclays Bank, I started as IT application support analyst, which basically was combination of server support, business application support, user support, like from a help desk point of view or engineer point of view. And I did that for about close to a year, and the opportunity came for information security manager, which I was happily put myself forward, and that's how I got into security. So I was in charge of managing the bank ISMS, which for those who know what ISMS is, which is information security management system, which encompasses the foundation of information security program, which cover a lot of area from security policies to access control, business continuity management, you name it, to system security. Yeah, so I did that for about 2 years, and I decided to come to the UK for my postgraduate education, just to expand what I know. And to be honest, I'm always a student when it comes to cybersecurity. I always want to learn new things. Then after that, I started up my own security consultant firm, which is called InfoAssureX, here in the UK, and tried to expand that back home in Tanzania for a while. Then on the side, then I decided to go back to the bank again, work for National Microfinance Bank, which is owned by Dutch bank Rabobank. Worked there for a year, then decided to go back to the UK again to work in consultants, and I joined Entity Security for about 6 years. I worked there in different capacity, including PCI QSA, which is payment card industry qualified security assessor, which basically doing assessment in compliance for PCI DSS standard. Also do help with provide consultant in terms of implementation of ISMS, and again implementation of data security program for organizations that need to comply with PCI DSS. And after that, then I moved to a Japanese company called NTT and worked as principal security consultant, which I was here since beginning of 2019, which I'm happy here until now. And again, in the same capacity of PCI QSA, enterprise security architect, and so many things. So yeah, that briefly, that's it. I think this is over 5 minutes, but it's just an introduction, and I think I can provide useful information to those who want to listen and watch. Thank you.